The ocean's silence is often the deadliest warning. As the water retreats with terrifying speed, Ray, a veteran search and rescue pilot, realizes the unthinkable. This isn't just a tide. It's the precursor to a mega tsunami. Nature is about to unleash its fury. With seconds on the clock, there's no room for error. Instead of racing for the shore, Ray floors the throttle and guns the speedboat toward the open sea. He knows the only chance of survival is to punch through the crest before the wall of water fully forms. It's a suicide mission, but it's their only shot. As dozens of other boats follow his lead, the horizon disappears. The tsunami towers over the Golden Gate Bridge, a liquid mountain moving at jet engine speeds towards San Francisco. Ray's engine screams at 70 degrees, vertical against the rising tide, fighting the laws of physics itself. Boats around them are being swallowed whole, but Ray's eyes are locked on the summit. Just as they reach the breaking point, 100,000-ton cargo ship, tossed like a toy, erupts from the foam directly in their path. It's a heart-stopping moment of pure chaos. Threading the needle past the ship's massive propellers, they dodge falling shipping